May daman giat nga di. Ito.
Sige lang, kausap mo lang ng video to. I'm Ezekiel Alonso and I'm here to present to you my table appointment for breakfast in Russian table service setup. So here we have the 5 components, which is the chinaware, the flatwares, the glassware, the hollowwares, and the linen. Chinawares, we have the charger plate. Above the charger plate, we have the dinner plate paired with the dinner knife and the dinner fork. Above the dinner plate, we have the fish plate paired with fish knife and fish fork. Above the above the fish plate, we have the salad plate paired with salad knife and salad fork. And also we have above the salad plate, we have the soup bowl with underliner paired with a soup spoon. We have also a cup and saucer with teaspoon and a bread plate paired with bread and butter spreader
Also, we have the dessert 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 spoon and dessert fork. For glasswares, we have the water goblet, we have the red wine glass, the white wine glass, the champagne flute, and the sherry glass. Also for halowares, we have the sugar and creamer container, and for halowares, we have the sugar and creamer containers for coffee and tea. And we also have the salt and pepper shaker for seasoning. And also we have the centerpiece adorned with artificial flowers and leaves. So the last one is the tablecloth. Tablecloth. For the linens, we have a forest green tablecloth. And so we have the red table napkin folded into birds of paradise, which is used in Dibu parties. And that's all. Thank you.